PMI CPMAI 2026 Practice Test. Ever worked on a data project, and after months of work, your boss said, "This is not what I asked for"? Yeah, me too. It hurts, but here is the thing, it is usually not your fault. You just missed one small step at the very start. In this course, I will show you how the CPMAI methodology fixes that. Stick with me. Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Adnan, and I help professionals just like you pass the PMI CPMAI exam. I have helped hundreds of students on Udemy, and today, I am bringing that same classroom energy right here. This is just a part of the complete course. You can get the link in the description for the complete practice questions with explanations, which will help you get your certification. I have also put a link to my Udemy practice test. Check it out if you want to pass fast. Section 1, the CPMAI methodology, the big picture. Let us start at the very beginning. You see, most people think AI projects are just about writing code. You sit down, you write Python, and magic happens. But in the real world, it does not work like that. In the real world, you have messy data. You have business managers who do not know what they want. You have IT guys who hate sharing data. It is chaos. This is why CPMAI exists. CPMAI stands for Cognitive Project Management for AI. It is a methodology. Think of it like a recipe book. If you follow the steps, you will not burn the kitchen down. We have 6 phases. I want you to remember them like this: we do not just build. We think first. Phase 1, Business Understanding. You do not touch data yet. You sit with the business team. You ask, what problem are we solving? You do not ask, what algorithm do you want? You ask, what is hurting you right now? Phase 2, Data Understanding. Now you look at the data. You check if it exists. You check if it is clean. You do not start building models yet. You explore, you run simple statistics, you look for missing values. Phase 3, Data Preparation. This is the dirty work. You clean. You merge. You format. In real life, this takes 80% of your time. Do not rush it. Garbage in, garbage out. Phase 4, Model Development. Finally, you get to build. You pick the algorithm. You train the model. But you do it in small steps. Train, test, fix, repeat. Phase 5, Model Evaluation. You check if the model is actually good. Not just accurate, but useful. Does it solve the business problem? If not, you go back. Phase 6, Deployment. You put the model in the real world. You monitor it. Models get old. Data changes. You need to watch it. Now, here is the secret. CPMAI is not linear. It is a circle. You always go back. You iterate. If you understand these 6 phases, you already passed half the exam. But knowing them is not enough. You need to apply them. So, let us test your knowledge. I have prepared 5 questions for you. Read carefully. These are exactly the type of questions you will see on the real PMI CPMAI 2026 exam. 1. A project manager is assigned to a new AI project. The business stakeholder says, I want a chatbot. What should the project manager do first? Conduct a business understanding phase to define the actual problem. You never take requirements at face value. Chatbot is a solution, not a problem. You need to find out why they want it. Maybe they just need faster replies, not a full AI bot. 2. In which phase do you typically spend the most time and effort in a real-world AI project? Data preparation. This is the reality check. In school, you get clean data sets. In real life, data is messy. You clean, merge, and fix missing values. It takes the longest, so plan for it. 3. During the model evaluation phase, you find the model is 95% accurate. But the business users say it is not helpful. What is the most likely reason? The model solves the wrong metric, not the business problem. Accuracy does not equal value. Maybe the model predicts something the business does not care about. You need to revisit business understanding. 4. A data scientist wants to skip the data understanding phase because the data is already in a database. Why is this risky? You do not know if the data is relevant or contains hidden biases. Just because data exists, does not mean it is the right data. You need to check for bias, missing fields, and relevance. Skipping this creates blind spots. 5. After deploying a model, the performance drops after 3 months. What should the team do? Monitor and retrain the model with new data. Data changes over time. Customer behavior changes. The model needs maintenance. This is why deployment is not the end, it is a new beginning. See how easy that was. You are already thinking like a CPMAI pro. If you want the full experience, I have 90 more questions like these in my Udemy course. I also have visual cheat sheets on my Etsy store. They look great on your wall while you study. I put both links in the description below. Also, please leave a comment. Tell me, what is the hardest part of AI project management for you? Is it the data? Is it the stakeholders? I read every comment, and I make new videos based on your suggestions. Do not forget to hit subscribe. We have 5 more sections to cover. Section 2 is all about business understanding, and trust me, that is where most students lose points. I will see you in the next video. Keep learning.